her and she wanted her out as soon as she turned 18. My daughter went on to say that she couldn't imagine having a mom who would say that right to her child's face and that she was happy that I had always been caring towards her and never yelled at her. At first, I was touched that my daughter was so grateful for our close relationship and appreciated my parenting style. But then I realized that we had a misunderstanding. In the most soothing way possible, I admitted to my daughter that I also expected her to move out as soon as she was 18. I proceeded to tell her that my parents packed my bags the night before my 18th birthday and expected me to move out and support myself since I was a legal adult. I told her about how I was able to manage and I paid my own rent and supported myself through school when I was an 18-year-old in the 80s. I rented a studio apartment and worked as hard as I could, unlike kids these days, LOL. My daughter had been quiet with a confused look on her face as I talked through this. Afterward, she was silent. I told her, "Honey, I'm not trying to be mean, but this is what's expected in our family. At one point you have to learn how to be your own adult and the government says that you are ready to do that at that 18." She stayed silent for a good minute before turning to